So we have this kind of rooftop. Look at the beautiful flowers in here. It's called Santan. So our Philippines trip is almost now. So it's March 18 and we're going to make a video. March 17 or March 18? I don't know. So this is a vlog again, guys. So look at my brother. He's playing some Legos too. Let's move on, my little sister. Hello! Hello, he was getting... Beep beep. Yan. So let's play! Uy, ako. So let's skate in this. I almost hit you. Oh. Look. Hello. But guys, I'm not walking. I'm in the scooter. Tula. Wag. Look at our birds. That bird is killed our little birds. They are so bad. And we have 3 cages. Yan. Is the energy. Yan. Yan, soy.
Slipper kay slipper. Ay, puputulin ko yung paa.
Ayan, good ka.
Puputulin ko yung paa.
So they are playing again. Bola. Bakit babae? Ouch!
Isa lang ang nabubuhay. Puliin mo na, lilipat mo nga sa kabila yung isa.
Namatay na ulit yung isa nilang ibon eh.
Hindi pa marunong kumain.
Yung isa-isa lang nabubuhay.
So that's our garden. Minute na lang. Hey, play with yan. So here's the coin. This is the red coin. Pink coin. And the green coin. So bye-bye guys. Hope you like, subscribe. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Hiram na, tas babalik ko sa'yo.